Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step on how to factory reset your Alcatel 3V. This particular device is with Metro PCS. This tutorial should work on any similar devices with any carrier. First of all, what we're going to do, we're going to have to turn off the device in order to start with the reset. You want to hold the power and the volume up key at the same time. Press and keep holding until the Alcatel logo comes up. Release the power key. Keep holding the volume up key until you get to the recovery screen. Once you get to the screen, you want to scroll down to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power key to confirm. Scroll down to Yes, then press the power key again. Once it's done formatting and wiping everything, you want to do Wipe Cache Partition. Press the power key, down to Yes, press the power again. Then you can go ahead and reboot the system. Now the device is going to restart and everything's going to be wiped off the device. If you found this video helpful to you, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.